Now is a good enough time as any to start the video. Welcome everybody, welcome to today's video. This is SuperD New Year's Eve. This is the annual New Year's End event for Animal Style, SuperD, stylish, invite only type of drift event. We've done it just about every year since it's come about. So last weekend, Jalen got his slide on. This weekend, I'm gonna get my slide on. Same conditions. Let's see if we've got similar situations. I don't know. I think Jalen might be better at rain drifting than me, but
I don't know.
We gonna see. But I do got quite a few different compounds and tires to try. Those joints right there, the accelerators. We got the full way, same that Jalen was on. We got my all favorite Falcons, and we got these extremely worn Federals. So I don't even think I'm gonna touch, but the fitment on these XD9s is just way too good. Jalen might not have to stand in the rain like I did, so we'll see. We'll get some
don't jinx it. Don't jinx it.
I did not rain next to windows, so no wipers, no glory. You just got to drive sideways.
I mean, you're driving, so I mean, man.
I know. I'm just going to be incredibly dirty with the windows down. If it does not rain and we do some skid pad action, get some outside footage. He's going to be inside with me, obviously, on full track when we go hit the west. But again, man, 2024 is ending. 2025 is starting. This guy's a driver. I'm a driver.
And I don't count myself as a driver.
He didn't look at himself as a driver. Okay.
I didn't drive enough.
Fair enough.
I drove enough.
Fair enough. Fair to say. All right, so we're going to get some fuel in this thing, pre-mix it up with this $13.99 a gallon gas in the great state of California, and let's get to some drifting. I'm in your face. After a couple of good laps, and I pulled the TDs off because those 140 tread wear is going to be way too much. These four ways, actually these are the tires that Jalen was driving on, so I really wanted to see what they operated like on my shit. A little bit different suspension setup and alignment, but I mean, good God, for this alignment, these is mega traction, but they felt good on yours too, right?
You gotta put your foot in it, man. You know what I'm saying? You gotta drive like a boss.
You hear it, Kyle?
But it is also, it's super slippery, so it's not much you can.
Patchy because it was super gripped up in certain parts and then outrageously
hella slippery,
Car's doing good. got a little bit of heavy load there.
Well, you
But
were
we don't care.
you
yeah.
were
I mean,
pushing
we
the
were
shit. You're
pushing, yeah.
I'm like,
Yeah. So we're gonna walk around a little bit. I mean, there's already been some casualties, some calamities, some wildness. I mean, but that's what Super D is.
what's up? Oh, you seen our video? That's a no. Appreciate it.
We're gonna walk around and some. So what cars you seen that you like?
I think it's the color combo.
Yeah.
I like the color combo. The green, that green is really good.
Yeah, Joseph's car
Yeah.
is sick.
Oh, the BMW. I like it. The color. It's a lot. It's more color than the car. You know what I mean? But I'm itching to drive a little bit. But you know, today is an off day. This is really fucking cool.
Yeah.
This is This is really dope. No, this is really cool too. The new 8.6. I like it. It looks good. It looks good.
GR86 is sick.
Yeah.
Just low power. Oh, we gotta watch some drifting.
Sounds so good.
They do. Yeah, they do. It's like 48. I'm hella gripped up. Okay with the full ways. We'll power wash all that off. The full way is putting in that work. Solo runs are sick, but tandems is for sure where it's at, man. I was in there sweating. This is the perfect setup for skid pad. And just enough grip. Just enough grip and forward bite. Now this shit fire though.
It's cool.
And you was driving it cool, and that's the thing to make cars look even better.
Yeah.
I gotta lower it a little bit. They're gonna get on me for my ride high. That's a good acquisition, and it's a good practice car too for you.
Yeah. Like I wanted something I could drive to the door. The Corvette, I could get to the door, but it has to be the right setting and environment, the right course layout.
Right.
Like it's not as fun. It's just not as fun on the skid pad doing like close quarter tandems in the Corvette.
Little SR from the J-Land,
A flamethrower.
Yeah, it was spitting, so you know what I mean.
Threw some at you?
Yeah, you just got the OG setup.
Right, you have the OG tune on it.
Yeah. Back at the crib. So this is one piece that we were both waiting for. I shouldn't say one piece, there's multiple pieces, two pieces that we was both waiting for. This is gonna be able to complete the look that Jalen wants to achieve. So now I can get all the other parts on the car. This, if he ever gets it out, he could show y'all what he has.
That's why we can edit.
I can already tell you these are way different than the OG ones I had. But there you go, bing bong boom, the origin joints. So these are gonna get scrubbed out, flattened out, broken. But yeah, they're cool. Good deal.
Last a while.
The car's not that low, so they should be okay. They might not be in danger. But we got the Origin Labo joints. Got them straight from Lamar Prestige Metal Coating. Obviously, you guys know that he does quite a bit of distribution with Origin. And these are one piece that Jalen seriously wanted. Yep. There you go. Yeah, that's what the curve of the bumper. Yep, that's how they'll go. We'll put those on tomorrow if it's not terribly raining. But yeah, those, the side skirts, and the rear diffuser vortex generators, we will slap on and give Jalen the look that he wants. So, oh, also, nah, we'll show him in the morning. Let's go to the morning. New morning flow. You see Jalen already up playing video games. That's just the kid's life. But I wanted to show y'all these full ways. These full ways was getting work put in on them. I mean, that's the most wear that I see on them. But I was whooping these shits. I still haven't even gotten to these. These full ways are pretty damn good. I think this is gonna be all that I recommend and use for right now. I'm gonna drop Jalen down to 235s because the 245s is just overkill for him. It'll help the car move and rotate better. Plus they have grip like this. That's all we need. Good dollar, good performance. In the next coming days, I'm gonna finish up a few things on Jalen's car. I know last night when we got home, you couldn't see. Jalen wanted these super bad. Those Origin joints, got them. Probably gonna apply them today, as well as get him some carbon fiber dyed planes put on there. That's gonna complete the front end of his car, but we're gonna do the side and the tail, and he will be good to go. Diff coming soon for that thing. I was just talking to the homie Jeff. We're gonna get that sorted with differential. Do we get to tandeming with Jalen very soon? We'll see, and we'll leave that up to the future. So from this point here, we're ending this vlog. Happy New Year's. I think I was able to get out the best of video. If you haven't checked that out, please, please, please. It was the best of everything this year. Best track day situations, kart track, drifting, car stuff, whatever. All put together in one video. It's about 50 minutes long. It's a good little vibe. Good little vibe. Put that together. So I'm going to get this video edited and probably get it up today before New Year's. So I'm going to check y'all out in 25.
Pull that out on a Sunday. Racing with the click up the one way. Today I'ma tear up these tires. Doing donuts in an intersection slide. LA summer. I'm in a blue Chevrolet. Snap top, super hot, new C8. That's all I need in this world of sin. Sunday night riding out with the click. Beat hitting hard on 10. Dupree got a girl coming through. Tell her bring friends.